¿Será que quiere más?
Paranormal Activity 2 was really good.
Really?
Yeah,
you
I
liked
liked
it, yeah?
Did you see it?
¿La dos?
La dos is it was scarier than the first one to me.
But you won't believe what happened.
Gritos y brincos para atrás en el cine.
Well, because it's the sound that's scary.
It's different when you see it in the movie.
It's not necessarily the movie.
He likes it.
No, but it was scary.
Yeah, they make it
¿Te
super
gusta,
quiet.
verdad?
Like the part with the drawers.
He likes it. He
Yeah.
likes
Made
it.
me jump.
Yeah.
But you know what happened? We went into the movie theater and this girl tells us where to go. And she's like, like she hated her job, so she's like mumbling.
Yeah.
Julia. So we didn't hear where we had to go. So I'm like, oh, and we went all the way to the back in Regal. And I thought we got all the way to the back, so I'm like, oh, it's not here, it's the other way. And we went, and there was another Paranormal Activity. And we sat down, and it was the end of the movie. So we had to go, yeah.
But you saw the ending?
Uh-huh.
We saw the ending, yeah.
You know it says it on the ticket.
Yeah.
Yeah, then that one.
Didn't you realize that the movie had already started? Or you were late?
Yeah, we were
Obvio. Cuando fuimos a ver Avatar, entré yo. ¿Y por qué pasa eso? ¿Qué están haciendo? Y Kevin trataba de explicarme, pero era que habíamos llegado como 20 minutos tarde a la película.
Yo decía, vea, es que él inventaba unas abrazas,
Porque me decía, no, por los anuncios y todo no vamos a llegar tarde, pues no había anuncios, como es tan larga, y yo,
Anuncios.
¿Está rica la chupeta con puré?
Le gusta el puré.
Es que le llené la chupeta, entonces...
Oh, I want to see that. That's that comedy with the rock and roll music.
Yeah, I mean it's not like a.
I don't know how to describe it.
Yeah, that's like that.
It's really good.
The fighting, right?
Yeah. Where he fights the 7